All right, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Expert Grill. I think it was $24 at Walmart. I'm gonna look for a link for it on Amazon and link it down below. But it says it can cook 9 burgers. We're gonna get us a little propane tank hooked up to it and show you how it works. All right, so like I said, I think it was $24. It was either 24 or 29. And open it up.
She's out, baby.
Hold on, and so got the grates, instructions, like hardware, burner. Hardware there.
Dalton, can you let them hang out?
Yes. All the cardboard out. So I need a Phillips head screwdriver. I think that's it. But we're gonna try to hand tighten it. Okay, so we got the little leg supports on. 2 of these have a hole on one of the brackets. I'm not sure. It doesn't say what those are for, so I guess we'll figure out if it's anything important in a minute. But it says to just throw these on there like this. Through the holes on the leg supports. Says to grab these. Alright, so show you what's going on here. So added these. I had to add this little pan, and then I just put the burner in, and it actually goes outside. And then next I've got to add this to it, and it goes in right there. Grate goes in right here. And then you add the regulator in, and it says you can just push this in and turn it, but it actually shows it. Looks like you have to tighten this down. Yeah. And there it is. Put the top on it. And there it is. So now let's get to hook the propane up and cook on it. All right, we're gonna light it. Push it down. All right, so we've got it preheated. The instructions said to let it run on high for 10-15 minutes to let the oils burn off from the factory. So let's grab these steaks and throw them on. There they are. Got a little butter on them. So we'll see how this works out for us. All right, so that is the steaks. Cooked them medium, maybe medium rare, but either way they're good to go. So we're out here. Look how, I mean, it's a nice little size grill, and then the legs fold up. You can unscrew the propane tank and put it wherever. Store it under the camper or in the back, or I might even put it in my truck. So that's the portable grill from Walmart. Like I said, I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description below for this grill. If not, I will find one very similar. I do get a little bit of a percent when you buy from my link, so thank you for helping us out. And everything that we make goes to making our journeys, making more of our journey. So that's what it's all about, is being with the family, experiencing the views and the different scenery, and just spending time together. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. Catch you on the next one.